Page 165, Michael rolled the boat ashore. I can't talk yet, but I'm working on it. It's a lesson on harmonization. They give us the melody. We get to figure out what the chords are, but they're giving us a choice of the chords. They already told us we're using the 1, the 4, and the 5/7 chords. So 1 flat in the key signature is key of F major. First thing I want to do is get the melody. It's got a pickup beat, so we're coming on beat 3. 3, 4. Got the melody. Okay, we moved around a little bit, but that's all right. We crawled. We can do that. Now the chords in F major: 1, 4, 5, 7, 1. The question is, where do they go? Well, it depends on what the melody is doing. I want notes that the melody is using primarily. There's no pickup in the, there's no chord in the pickup beat. Here, because these notes are melody, these notes are in the 1 chord. I'll do that. But then here, well, that's a 4 chord. Do that. Back to the 1 chord. Now here. What's this? Looks like it's a 5/7 chord, because it's got a G in it. Because the 1 chord and the 4 chord do not have a G in it. So I'm not using the G, I'm not playing it, but I'm playing it here, and it's in the chord. That's close enough. Yeah, so that's basically the chords here. The suggestion for the pattern is just block chords, but you don't have to do block chords. You do other stuff here. Do Alberti bass. Okay, whatever pattern you want to try. Yeah, here. Experiment, whatever. I want us to transpose this to E major. So we're going from F down to 1, E major. E major has 4 sharps. Hopefully you know that already. I don't have to keep explaining it. In the music, the melody, we're going down 1 note. So instead of an F, I'm going to use an E. I'm just going to play the sharps that are in E major. So it's here. The 1 chord, 4 chord, 5/7 here, same difference here. Yeah, try other keys. It's in F major, you go to G major, go up 1 key here. Try different keys out. It's good practice, good experience. You get a little better at improvising and transposing, and those primary chords, you get to know them much better. You just play around.